So guys, welcome to another video. I'm just gonna be showing you on this video how to set up your TradingView, what TradingView is. So TradingView is gonna be the platform that we're gonna use to analyze and map out, chart out our charts, our currencies that we're gonna be trading. So this is what we're gonna be using to just basically analyze our chart as technical analysis traders. First of all, you're gonna want to go to tradingview.com, create an account, and then you're gonna see right up top after you create the account, there's gonna be a little section that says chart. So go back just to show you really quick. Tradingview.com, you can create an account. After that, just press chart. It's gonna bring you right to the screen. Just gonna show you and give you a quick rundown of what TradingView is, how you can use it, kind of set it up a little bit with the tools and things of that nature. So right here on the right, we're gonna have this expands, right? This is gonna be our watch list. Here I have the three pairs that I focus on. It's gonna be UJ, we have GU and EU. You just press the up and down key to kind of go through them, or you could just click them individually. I'm gonna focus on GU because I want to show you guys an example. If you want to add more pairs, just type them in. Euro USD, AUD, NZD, GBP, JPY, whatever it is, you can just search it here, add the symbol right here. You can just click add symbol once you find it, and it's gonna add it to your watch list. Up here, we're gonna have the currency pair we're looking at. Here, we're gonna have our time frames. To select your time frames, click the little scroll down. You could just highlight the ones that I have. The ones that I focus on are going to be the 1H and the 1 minute. The 1H for my higher time frame and the 1 minute for my entry confirmations. I like to keep the 3, the 5, the 15, well, basically all these others right here, just in case if I need to refine a zone on the 15 minute or 1 hour zone order block, I can just refine it on the 15 minute. Once I get an entry on the 1 minute, if I'm unclear of the order block, if I'm on my lower time frame, if I'm unsure of the order block and I just need like a cleaner view and clear out the mess, I kind of just go on the 3 minute, and it just helps me out. So I keep those there. You could just highlight those, put it up one more time, you can pause it. All right, getting out of here, we're on candlestick mode right now, so it's gonna view the chart in Japanese candlesticks. These are Japanese candlesticks right here. This is going to be the line chart. We're not going to be using the line chart much or at all, but just a great tool to have there, I guess, for different strategies if you ever do need to use the line chart. We're going to have the indicator bar. This is where we're going to search up all our indicators. We're going to have the alerts is where you can add an alert. Just add it here, and it's gonna add it, I believe, current price, so you can put the value of where you want the alert. I just like to go here and kind of just select it on the right. Just put an alert right there, whatever it is, and you can set it to you can set it as a notification on your mobile phone. So let's say you're away from the charts and you're waiting for price to enter your supply or demand. You can be aware that price is entering or leaving that zone. So we're gonna go right here on the tools. To get this toolbar started and add all these tools, you're gonna have to go one by one through these. I'm gonna show you right now. Just pause the video and highlight the ones that I have. As you highlight them, it's gonna create this little toolbar, which is pretty cool. You can just move it around. You can move it around and have it comfortably however you want to run your chart. I like to keep it down here. There's times that I'll put it up here, depending on how I'm feeling or how I'm working with the chart. So the first tool we're gonna go right here to the second section. Pause this, just highlight the ones that I have, favorite the ones that I have. From the third section, we're gonna use the fib retracement. This is what we're gonna use to mark out and map out our premium and discount in price of a swing move. Right here, we're gonna have the brush, the highlighter, the rectangle, the ellipse, and the curve. These are the ones that I use. From text, I have the call out. This is when I wanna make any notes. And then I have the text. I don't have any here. I have my long position and the short position, and my data and price range. These are all the symbols that you could, I guess, throw on your chart if you like. I use the arrows a lot, and the dollar symbol. This is going to be to measure out. You can just measure out any points that you want, and it's going to tell you the volume, the pips, the time that it took, etc. This one right here is a great little tool. For example, let's say you're mapping something out with this right here. All you have to do is click it to unselect, and then you click it again, because you have the tool selected at all times. This leaves your tool selected at all times, rather than having it unselected and you're trying to map out the same move. You're gonna have to individually go back down, create every line as you go. It just kind of saves you the hassle. It's a nice little tool that you can use. I don't have it all the time, but I do have it. I do have it every so often. I use it every so often if I need to map something out. I'm gonna delete this right here. You're gonna press Control, select, and it's gonna highlight what you selected. You can just press delete. It's gonna take it right out. If you want to clear out your chart, just right click on empty space and just remove drawings, change the color theme, things of that nature. When you go in your settings, these are going to be your settings right here: appearance, trading, events. I'm going to post a video in the Discord community. If you would like to have this theme, I will post the color codes and every setting that I have. I will put that video in the Discord community. I have it for all my members to kind of just have their theme. You can customize it however you want. You don't need to have the same colors that I have. Make it your own, or you can have the same colors that I have. It doesn't really matter, as long as you feel comfortable reading out the chart. That's all that matters. I'm just gonna go through some of the tools right here, just to kind of give you an idea more or less how we use them. I like to use the text tool just to kind of highlight my sub breaks and my swing points of structure. This is what I'm reading on my market structure. It just kind of helps me understand it a little better, kind of have an idea, and helps me stay with current price. I use the trend line a lot, the trend line tool. Trend line tool I use to map out breaks of structure, changes of character, things of that nature. I also have this tool right here, kind of map out my premium and discount. Premium is over here, discount marking the high and the low of that swing move. My brush, this is just, you can just play around with the brush, do whatever you like, hold it, create whatever it is that you like. Delete this really quick. One tool that I obviously use a lot is going to be the rectangle box. Yeah, that's what it's called, the rectangle. And I use it to map out my my supply and demands, or my order blocks, however you like to call them. Say I'll put like an order block, and then I'll mark out an alert if I need to put an alert. Put a little bit right before price just to kind of be aware. Right there. My mouse sensitivity is a little too high right now. I'm kind of looking up at the TV, so bear with me, guys. So yeah, I'll just map it out like that. If I need to put an alert, I'll put another alert, whatever it is. If you need to delete an alert, just right click on it, remove, right click, remove. You can edit it as well. Let me see, what else can I show you guys from here? We drop down to the 1 minute. This was a paper trade that I took. It was outside of my section, but just to show you guys how I use the tools. Price entered our zone. We have our confirmations on the lower time frame. Banged out on 1 to 10. I explain in the community.